Scikit Learn multiclass classification, perfect results. Hello, I'm very new to Scikit Learn and I'm trying to do some text multiclass classification. I'm following this tutorial. My dataset has 4 classes: Fiptal, Lina, M5S, PD, so I got 4 folder 1 for class. Each folder contains 120 text files with about 25 rows of text Facebook statuses. I use 90% of it for training, 10% for testing. 10% of my text files name starts with TS and I'm using these for testing. So my code is output. Now the results seem too good to be true since every method gave me 1 of precision. I think also would be nice to try to predict string passed by me instead of a test set, for do more tests, so I changed the original code to this. But it fails with I'm missing something? Or maybe this is a totally wrong approach? Any help would be really appreciated. Thanks in advance, Nico.
Even if I have not figured out yet why it gave me perfect results, I've decided to use a different approach for classifying my text, with multinomial, and test it with a string of my choice. I'm not sure if this is the best way to do it, but it works, so I decided to post as answer. Please note that not all the lines of code are necessary. Then from console just run script.pystring to predict. A lot of improvement can be done to this code, like dump the trained model, but is good enough for my usage.
You create a new instance of vectorizer, and before fitting it, you using transform method. Just change the order of two last rows, like this.